Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lea with Kathy Jarvis. And today we're going to review one of the items I bought for Dusty Rose, our new little German Shepherd puppy. And this item is a 5-in-1 entertainment toy. It's supposed to keep your dog happy and healthy and engaged. So let's open it up and see what we got. Yes, she got me again. Okay. It comes as a ball. It comes with that instruction booklet, a little stopper, and a mode with a lid to make the pops. Now it says it's a 5-in-1 entertainment toy. Okay. Let's see. To make it easier to separate the rubber ball, apply a small amount of cooking oil in the screw threads before each use, using the enclosed silicone brush, oil brush. That's this thing. You will fill it with oil, vegetable oil, and just brush it. No problem. Okay, what's this ball supposed to be doing? Let's see. Comes with says product features, 5-in-1 function. It's a popsicle holder, chew toy, interactive treat dispenser puzzle, a licking bowl, a fetch toy, encourages mental stimulation and reduces boredom. It's made out of durable rubber, made from natural, high-quality, non-toxic rubber to withstand various play. Suitable design, stuffable design, ideal for filling with treats, kibble, or frozen goodies. A separable design can be washed by hand or in the dishwasher top rack only. Okay. So, the way I understand it is that it separates at the bottom here. How am I going to do this with one hand? Hang on. Okay, it separates by unscrewing it like this. You put the treats in here. You can either freeze things and put into this part. This is where you're supposed to oil, and then you can put it back. If you want to use it as a dispenser, it comes with this neat little thing. Unscrews, just doesn't stop in. It unscrews. You put that in the top here. Reach down inside here and screw this back that way, and then you fill this part with treats and put it here, and as the dog plays with it, the treats come out of these little holes here on the side. It seems to be thick rubber, so I think it will last. I know for a fact that she loves frozen items. Right now she's playing with her toy that has frozen kibble inside of it, and it keeps her occupied for a really long time. I have another one in the freezer. This one she gets through with quicker. The one in the freezer just takes about 45 minutes for her to get through with it. They do recommend that you wash this before you ever start with it to remove anything from the factory. Every time you get ready to reuse it, wash it and get rid of the treats that are in it. You can deep clean it by putting it in the dishwasher on the top rack only, or you can wash it by hand. Like I said earlier before, use the silicone tip to put some oil on the threads to help separate. Check it after they're being used, check it, make sure that it's not damaged. It did come with different recipes on the back of things that you could put into it besides kibble. But we just use kibble with frozen water. Recommends that you get the right size for your dog and avoid harmful ingredients. Just do not use anything with chocolate, grapes, or anything with different sweeteners in it that dogs shouldn't have. This is what the mold looks like when it's filled with kibble, and I've got water on it, in it. And do not fill the water all the way up to the top because it will expand when it's freezing. Put the little lid on it and put it in your freezer for about 2 to 4 hours for it to freeze. So this is a quick little review of one of the items we got, and I like the fact that it has the tray, so I can freeze more than one at a time, which is nice. Right now I'm having to freeze each one of these separately as soon as she's through. And if I want it for an extended period of time, I only have the 2. So this will be 3, plus I have 3 in reserve that I can just refill it. So I should be able to keep her occupied for a fairly long time. And the coldness helps with her teething. She's just not nearly as nippy when she has something cold in her mouth. So we are getting better. We are getting better. This is the only one for today, and it's not really bad. So hope if you have a puppy, remember they are a puppy. They do nip. Do not get mad at them when they do. Just tell them no and redirect them to something that they can chew on. Don't hit them. Don't squirt water in their face or anything like that. Just firmly tell them no and try not to move your hand. We've been doing really good today with this no biting, but this one I moved my hand and didn't realize that she was coming in, and she just caught the edge of it with her little tooth. That's when I moved. If I hadn't moved, I wouldn't have gotten cut. So that's one of the things to remember. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and good luck with your puppies, and see you in the next video. God bless everybody. Bye.